Hi, hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be opening a package from the Plannything. As you can see, probably in my description, I am an affiliate with the Plannything. So if you wouldn't mind using my affiliate link and my code, it is Kasha10 for 10% off. I would really appreciate it. It does not cost you any more. The amount is the same. You just get 10% off and I get a small commission towards my future purchases. So I'm gonna open this. I do have this little cloud opener. It is absolutely adorable. I'm gonna go ahead and open it this way. Okay. Okay, so clearly, as you can see, you get a postcard. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? So this is Plannything. And she's from Amsterdam. Look how beautiful these are. Okay, so you get that. And then I ordered quite a few sticker books from the new collection. So let me show you. These are always packaged so beautifully. So then we have, ooh, Autumn Lane. This is 6 sticker sheets. And then I have the rainbow, which I got too because I love the quality of her stickers. And then I got Cozy Autumn, Halloween vibes, and then Autumn boxes. So I'm going to open all of these up from the foil, and then we're going to flip through all of it, okay? Give me 1 second. Okay. So I unpacked all of these. Let me show you. We're going to start with the 6 sticker sheets. Let me actually put my little cutter away. My little cloud. It comes in a pack of 3. It's super, super cute. Anyway, here we go. So I'm going to start with this 6 sticker sheet bundle here. So this is the cover. You have the fall trees. This was illustrated by Amber. These are adorable. So get this one. Look at these. Oh my gosh, a little pumpkin, a little squash, acorn house. So cute. And then you get some boxes that correspond with those colors. And then you get one more, like a spooky little village. And then you get more boxes. So that's the first kit. Super, super cute. She did such a good job on these. Very excited. So these were drawn by Amber. I can't wait to use those in the fall. They're going to be adorable. Next, I'm going to do the autumn tones, the plain boxes. This has 594 stickers. It's a 30 sheet. These quality of the paper is always so amazing. You get 2 pages of each color. So we have orange. Then we have grays and yellows. And this is very pale yellow or sage, almost like. And then you have red, green, and brown. And then you have big orange boxes, super cool. Then you have the yellow and the browns and the reds. And then you go into the circles. So we have orange circles, the yellow, sagey, and brown. So you get 2 pages of those. Red, green, and brown. And then you get big circles. This is so fun for like to-do list or gratitude list. These are awesome. Then you get yellow, sage, all of the colors together with the big boxes. And then we go into hexagons. So these are small. If you wanted to do a honeycomb or anything like that, this would be perfect, especially in this color. So cute. Then you have these. And then the big ones. Super, super fun. You can kind of play with them like Legos and build them up. Very fun book. So these are the Autumn Tones plain boxes. I like that they're filled in with color. That's a lot of fun. Next, we're going to do the Halloween vibes. So I have her Halloween book from last year. I used quite a few of her stickers in my Halloween spreads. So I thought that was kind of cool that she made another book. And I do use so many planners, so I get to make not one, but multiple Halloween spreads. So fun. Look how cute these pumpkins are. They're kind of scary, but they're kind of cool. And of course, you get spider webs. So 2 pages of each. And then you get corresponding boxes, again, on that superb paper that she has. And then she had these animals last year, and I really love them. And it looks like she added a couple, like this dog dressed as a lion. But I really did like them. I made a spooky dog spread. These are also from her previous book. I really like them. She just added new disguises, which are cute. And this is completely new. So we have a witch and a little witch house. Very cute. And some corresponding boxes. And very cartoonish Halloween, so not scary at all. Super cute. Look at this little girl. Look at this vampire. Very, very cute. I mean, even the open brain monster is adorable and smiling. So who wouldn't love that, right? And then again, these kind of silly and fun treats with faces on them, which is always cute. So let's go right here. The second page is exactly the same. And then you get corresponding boxes. And then we have a dark, spooky house entrance page. Very cool. And then you can make a little spooky city with these, or spooky lane. Very cute. I love her interactive kind of house building things or neighborhood building things. They really do feel like a Christmas village to me that I get to build. And look at these. It's a continuation of this. So you can just take that and keep building. And then you get corresponding boxes. And again, her paper is fantastic. So this is called Halloween Vibes. This is a 30-sheet sticker book. So then we have Cozy Autumn. That's going to be a beautiful book. I can already tell you guys. Look at this. Yes. I love fall colors. I'm definitely a summer girl when it comes to weather, but I love the fall colors. So I wish I could combine both. And if you guys see all of this hair on me, that's my new Westie losing his baby fur. So that's what it is. These are all of the lattes for the fall. As you can see, a little ghost, a little red leaf, super, super cute. So these are fun. These are corresponding boxes to it. I like that she incorporated some circles. And then we have these pumpkins and leaves. Awesome. And beautiful. And look at these. Ooh, I love the little book theme going here with the little shirt, like tea and crumpets. Very cute. And we have more fall colors. The mustard yellow, the sage green, the red. It is gorgeous. And then you have another cozy fall kind of farmhouse feel with a bench, with the little boots, with the stand. Super, super cute. You guys, I'm not ready to move into fall. Summer came pretty late to us, so I am not ready. And then you have her classic little houses with different views and trees in them. I love these. I love making the scenes, like I said. And then here you go, having the individual pieces to make your own creations. These are so fun. So look, you have some trees, houses, cars, a road, some fence, super cute. And then you have corresponding boxes. And then we have little fall critters with a fire. So you have a squirrel, you have an owl, you have a little kitten, little hedgehog. Look how cute. And then we have a kitty that's sleeping, some books, some cozy things, blankets, hot tea, super adorable. And then the corresponding boxes. So very like cozy, like it said. I'm super excited to use this book. This is not only Halloween, but all fall long. So pretty cool. And then the last book I have is the plain rainbow pastel boxes. I did not have one of these, so I wanted one for sure. And since she had them available, that was the perfect time to get them because they do come from overseas. So the shipping might be a little bit more. So there you go. That's what they look like. So pinks, purples, long boxes, which again, I love using. So I thought that was fun. And then we go into the circles. And then the cold tones. So green, yellows, grays, orange, pink, purple. And then we have the big circles. And as you can see, they're combined. And then same thing here. Very adorable. We go into hexagons. So again, you have the warm tones, the cold tones. Lots of pink purples, which are fun. And then you get big hexagons. So this is all I have for you guys. So we had the plain rainbow pastel boxes, cozy autumn, Halloween vibes, autumn tones, plain boxes, and then the autumn lane that was artwork by Amber, which are gorgeous. So I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you soon in another Plan With Me. Bye.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.